Hi everybody, my name's Steve Taylor. I'm a psychologist and a spiritual explorer and a poet. And I'd like to invite you to my online workshop with the Theosophical Society. The title of the workshop is The Adventure, a practical guide to spiritual awakening. It's based on my new book, The Adventure. In this workshop, we're going to cultivate certain qualities which are emphasized in the world's spiritual traditions and certain qualities which arise naturally in the process of spiritual awakening. We're going to focus on qualities such as gratitude, altruism, detachment, and acceptance. And we'll see some examples of how these qualities arise in spiritual awakening and how they manifest themselves in spiritual development. We're going to go through some guided meditations, some contemplative exercises, and other techniques to experience and cultivate these qualities. This program would benefit anybody who is aware of spiritual awakening but isn't really sure exactly what it means, anybody who wants to undergo a process of spiritual awakening, or anybody who feels that they've already begun that process and would like to take that process further. So I look forward to seeing you then at my online workshop, The Adventure.